Hey everyone, welcome to my Valentine's Day decorating video for 2022. Thank you so much for being here. I don't do a ton of decorating for Valentine's Day, but I like to add a few little touches here and there. So let's go ahead and get decorating. So I'm starting off in my coffee station area. This is the spot that I typically decorate the most for every holiday or season. So I'm starting by giving the area a good cleaning, just wiping down the counters and wiping off my tiered tray. I typically switch out some seasonal artwork in a picture frame. So I pulled out this one and I am just switching the artwork. I knew I kind of wanted to go with a vintage romantic vibe. I found a nice high resolution image of this old oil painting and I love it so much. It's definitely got the romantic rococo vibes I was going for, and I love the pop of red in the lady's dress and the guy who is just so thirsty looking. I just think it's so funny. And then I decided to add this little heart banner that I made in my DIY video from last year. A lot of the decor you're gonna see me pulling out in this video are DIYs from years past, so if you're interested in making any of the things that I mentioned, I will link those videos down below. So I just pulled a few things out of my stash. And new this year, I picked up this little house at the Dollar General the other day and gave it a little DIY painted makeover. The door to my laundry room / breezeway is also right next to my coffee station, and I am adding this little rose heart wreath that I also made last year. I also needed to do a little organizing of my mugs in my coffee cabinet above here. I rotate a lot of my mugs out seasonally, so I was pulling my Valentine's Day ones to the front and putting some of my Christmas ones away. And I've got 2 brand new Valentine's mugs up in my Etsy shop for this year. So I've got Love You a Latte as well as Love Potion number 9. I really have been a fan of the clear mugs because I love how the designs on them pop when you put your coffee in there. I will have the link to buy these mugs in my Etsy shop down below in my description box if you guys are interested. And here's a look at how my coffee station turned out. And now I am gonna just add a few other decor details around my house. I have this rose topiary that I made last year as well that I am adding to my sofa table. And then I just found this random pink ribbon floating around in my decor bin, so I decided to tie it on this new boxwood topiary that my mom got me for Christmas. just to give it a little pop of Valentine's color. And then here is this heart-shaped topiary that, again, I made last year that I am adding to the top of my china cabinet. And that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day this year. Hit the subscribe button down below if you're not already subscribed for more home decor videos just like this one. As usual, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.